Hi guys. I just wanted to tell you all about what's happening here in what I'm calling the mini Makerspace. The mini Makerspace is my home office slash guest room, and I got an email, two emails actually this week from two parents, Uri Udowitz and Kara Friedman, and they asked me to look into the possibility of printing face masks for doctors and nurses in the hospital. So I went online and I found the design and the instructions for how to put them together, and that's what's happening here. So far, I've got a few frames already printed, and we're printing more as we go. They take about 3 hours to print two. So in 3 hours, because I'm using both printers, I can print four of them. And once the supplies come in that I've ordered online, I'll be able to put them together and create those face masks. And hopefully, on behalf of the Makerspace at Catskill Day School, I will be able to present it to the hospital for them to use. If anyone has a 3D printer at home, I've under this video, I have downloaded the instructions and the materials that you're going to need. And if you want to make some at home, the doctors and nurses would really, really appreciate it. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.